Klay Thompson with Van Vliet guarding him. Dillon Brooks is guarding Steph. Klay from the baseline, dropping that in.
Van Vliet is too small to guard Klay.
Van Vliet, the championship in Toronto, beat the Warriors. Great block by Klay. And Draymond is knocked down, so another Rocket foul.
Didn't see him. Got him.
Klay Thompson rattling home that three. Remember, Draymond's going to play in short bursts, probably 20 minutes or so of game action. Klay Thompson. Okay, Klay hasn't missed. 3 of 3 and dropping in another 3. Jeff Green also in. We talked about the veterans. The Rockets have signed as Steph Curry hits a triple.
I was about to say, the only problem with him, he's got a point guard too, and Steph Curry plays that position.
Sengun is only 21 years old. He's very skilled. Klay Thompson, speaking of skill, drops in a 3. And Klay's got 11. Van Vliet catch and shoot 3. And the long rebound ricocheting out to Steph. Final minute of this first half. Klay Thompson in transition. Oh, man. Steph number 1 all time. Klay Thompson 9th. And still counting. Oh, he's 10th solo, as I'm told. So, and Klay's like, I don't need to shoot 3s. What a nice find inside for 2.
They kept the ball on the sideline there. When they got inside, everybody was ready for him.
Draymond a little rusty in that first half. Klay Thompson was not. He's 7 of 10 and has 19 as he hits that 3. Wiggins an open 3 and he missed everything.
Yeah, he's off there.
Andrews kind of trying to guide things now from distance. Van Vliet went into traffic, but if he goes straight up, it's not a foul. The Warrior lead is 10, but it's not comfortable because the Rockets are shooting 34%. If they start hitting shots here, 10 points not enough. That's beautifully done. Steph, and there's Draymond cutting back door.
The Rockets need. This is Draymond Green just taking advantage.
An awkward possession so far with the shot clock at 7. And Steph springs free. That hurts for Houston. All that work with Klay getting on the deck.
Van Vliet is dealing with a lot of stress guarding Steph. He juked him off the ball. Then he got hit with a monster bone-crushing.
He'll take it. That's a huge play. Steph Curry drops it in.
Here he comes.
They end up. Steph gets Sengun on a switch, but he had picked up the dribble. Draymond set that screen. Another 3 is down.
Oh, my goodness.
Curry flurry in the 4th with back-to-back 3s.
Don't do him like this. Pass it, relocate. Draymond is privy to it. Find him, the game breaker.
And now Jae'Sean Tate on the switch. Hides behind the Looney screen. Curry, step back again. Another one! 3 straight 3s! This is screens to get Brooks off of him. Oh, he crossed him over. Let Brooks fly by.
Oh, no.
Oh, Steph Curry. Straight 3s. Now you see him, now you don't. Brooks flies by. And Steph, oh, what have I done? He may have won the game. Chris Paul in this finishing lineup here. Steph to Looney down the lane for the dunk. All the attention on Curry, and he sets up Caban.
Without fouling, the precision. Watch Steph. Dillon Brooks, get off me. Good screen from Looney. I'm going to reward you for getting